This is probably going to be one of the most easiest ways to make money online. So this video is actually going to be a sequel to yesterday's video where I taught you how to build a ClickBank online business with solo ads and taught you that entire course around that. In this video, let me just shrink my webcam here. I don't know if you remember, I built this landing page yesterday in yesterday's video, all about Video Marketing Blaster and how you can rank on Google and YouTube with just 3 clicks, and how we built this little page that collects emails and people's first names to build an email list. And then after that, it takes them to this free video on ClickBank. So I'm just going to log in with my ClickBank account quickly. There we go. So on the marketplace, just search Video Marketing Blaster. This is the winning product that I've been using as an affiliate on ClickBank to make sales online. So on average, you're going to earn about $27.22 per sale that you make. If I just click on the landing page, I'm going to show you what video I'm busy talking about. Just waiting for this to load here. So yeah, you can see on their landing page, they have this entire free training on how you can rank your videos on number one on Google and YouTube by generating like done for you optimized keywords and that without like any hectic SEO skills and practices. So this is really a simple tool that does all of that for you. And this video I've been using as a hook on my landing page over here. And what's nice is this landing page is a great way to build an email list. So I've got this link over here, this first name and email address connected to an email sequence on Kartra. So just to show you, if I come back to my Kartra dashboard and I come over to my communications, let me come to communications sequences over here. I can now send emails to my leads of over a total of 6,000 leads on my Video Marketing Blaster sequence using this exact strategy that I'm going to show you that's completely free. So not only am I making money on Video Marketing Blaster sales, I can go to ClickBank and promote various different other affiliate products to my email list over here with 6,700 people. So let's say I run an email campaign promoting some other ClickBank product and I get like even 5 sales out of these 6,000 people. That's an extra $80 to $100 per day. So you can really make boatloads of money with this. And that's why I'm emphasizing a lot on the email marketing side of this. So this landing page over here, let me just come back here. If you want to go see this landing page, I'll leave like a link down below if you're welcome to use this as influence. Once we've got this page made, which is pretty easy, so you just can like edit text, you can click on the title, type 1 or 2 things, and you can also go and get a lot of influence from this heading, the home page over here. So I just used like this as my title, and I just kind of used this as a more to increase my conversion rate. 100% free video reveals exactly how you can rank, and then instead on this button over here, I made it watch free video when they enter their first name and email address. So what's nice is this button is then connected to this landing page over here where you can get your affiliate link on ClickBank over here. So all you do is you just enter your username and you click on generate hop links. Over here is your affiliate link, which is connected to this button over here. So when they watch the free video or enter the email, it's going to take them to this free video. And when they purchase this product, you're going to get $27.22. So exactly what I've been doing is, oh, by the way, quickly, if you want like a 12-day email series, if you go to Video Marketing Blaster's affiliate page, take a look at this. They actually give you, and these are the exact emails I use, the exact email swipes that you can go and set up in Kartra on the mailing section over here. So you'll see over here is communications. You can go and create an entire sequence and you can literally copy and paste these email templates and set them to send after each other like every day. So there's a total of 12 emails over here. You can retarget people every 12 an email every single 12 days for every day for 12 days, and eventually one of them will hook into sales. So for example, if someone's not interested in your product now, but you're sending out all these emails every day, they could eventually be interested in your product on the 10th day, hook in and make a sale. So it's a great way to also build an email list, build an audience, and make money through your emails. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to come over to this website over here called livejournal.com, where we can go and create articles using this landing page and collecting a ton of emails. So just to show you, if I come over to a website called similarweb.com, which is a tool where we can track how many views and clicks a website's getting. So I'm just going to copy the LiveJournal link. I'm going to come back to SimilarWeb and I'm going to paste this over here, and I'm going to click on LiveJournal. Just wait for this to load. Here you can see this is currently the the 576th biggest website in the world. So that's a really good ranking considering there's millions of websites out there. Currently the 49th biggest website in Russia and the 35th biggest website in its category rank. It's getting a total of 90 million visits every single month. So October was 90 million, in May it was 100 million, 96 or 90.6 million, 92 million, 94 million. So it's averaging at about 90 million throughout 2020, which is really good. And if we create a decent article with a eye-catching heading and eye-catching little body, we can get a piece of this traffic. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to LiveJournal. We're going to click on create blog over here. We can just enter our usernames. You just have to log in. And over here, you're going to click on post new entry once you've logged in. So that's going to change to post new entry. On this tab over here, for our title, we can go, for example, free. Let's go free video reveals how to rank on Google and YouTube in or rank, let's go number 1 on Google and YouTube in less than 10 minutes, which I got an idea pretty much from this landing page over here. So 3 clicks all you need to rank on Google and YouTube. And then what we're going to do is we can go and use this entire, if we scroll down a bit here, we just want to go and build our article. So the entries here, what we can go and do is we can actually go and use this entire landing page. Let's use this Video Marketing Blasters produced. We can actually go and copy all of this and use this as our article. So we can see if I go down, I would say this is enough. We can end it there just before the pricing. Then we're going to paste this over here on our new entry so that our article looks like this. So we've got an entire article now with illustrations. Let's just delete that. That's a little bit weird. I've got some testimonials, how other people ranked. So this is a really good looking article. And now what we can go and do is we want to come back to Kartra over here with our landing page. You want to click on save or publish live so we can get our link to our Kartra page. Click on get page link, copy this link over here, come back to, it was this page over here, here, and you kind of want to just highlight certain sections throughout this article. So for example, Video Marketing Blaster produced more ranking. Let's go to check out all these ranking results. Rank on the first page of Google. Let's highlight this, and all we do is we click on the link and we can paste our Kartra page. Same with over here. Get a ton of targeted traffic, and we can add a link over there. And same with this over here. So we can go, is this game, we've tried a sneaky SEO ranking tactic. Let's highlight that, and we're going to add our link to our Kartra page. So the whole idea behind this is we're not really going in for those direct sales of LiveJournal. LiveJournal, we're taking them to this hook page over here where we're going to give them a free video, but in exchange, they're giving us our email address, which we can go monetize later on and make a lot of money off of. So you just kind of want to go throughout this article. Keep adding your link. So here, let's go. This was the best decision we ever made. We can highlight that and we can add our link. Videos rank better than websites. Let's highlight that and add our link. Over here, we can go. Let's scroll down some more. YouTube is the baby brother of Google. We can highlight this, and you just want to keep going throughout this article. Let's also do maybe some of these pictures, or let's do here. If you follow the simple, if you simply follow our simple system to replicate some of the results, we can highlight that. So we just want to kind of highlight keywords. Like I said, throughout this article, keep pasting your link everywhere. Let's go perfect on-page SEO, and you want to make your affiliate or your link to your Kartra page as visible as possible so that you can get a much higher click-through rate, so as many people as possible can click on your link and get added to your email list, and eventually through to the landing page on ClickBank, where we're going to go make our sales and our affiliate commissions. And then we can scroll down. Once we've done with this, we can actually scroll down all the way to the bottom. We can just click on tune in and publish. We can click on publish, and now this article will be public on LiveJournal. And this is now being published. And what we can also do is we can actually come over to SEO Facebook groups on Facebook to just go collect a couple of emails. So take a look at this. There's this group over here called Freelance Digital Marketing, SEO, Content Writing, and Website Development. So this is a group, if I open this up, that's obviously talking about, you can take a look at this, how to grow YouTube, Instagram, Facebook followers, affiliate commissions, and all sorts of stuff like that. So what we can go and do is we can go make a post in this group. We want to seem organic. So we can click on join group over here. I just want to join with my profile. Okay, it is a group where we can't really join. It looks like we have to pay some or answer some questions. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to click on, let's say, some of the comments as well. You can reply to these. So we can go, for example, or to this post, we can just click on reply, and you can reply with, I've got my own group over here as well that you're welcome to go and use. But since I'm a member of this group, I'm just going to use this as an example, as I can't really reply to these comments without joining these groups, because some of these groups are, you've got to join them and then they still have to submit and approve you, which takes a while. So I'm just going to use my own group as an example. So what we can do is we can go, for example, we can click on one of these guys. This guy says how. What we can do is we can reply, click on reply, we go, hey, if you want to get a free video on how to rank #1 on Google and YouTube, let me know and I'll send it over. What we can do is we can just leave an emoji, or we can just send that and we can click on enter. So the great thing about this is you're seeming organic as possible. You're not spamming your link already. You just ask a question. Hey, if you want to get a free video on how to rank #1 on Google YouTube, let me know and I'll send it over. And if they say yes, what you do is you just send them the link to this landing page where they enter the email, and you eventually build a big email list from there. And that's just how to really make free and easy money online, by just creating a landing page, collecting emails, and eventually you can get to a stage where you've got an email list of like 10,000 people, and you keep growing more and more. You set goals for yourself, and you just, all you do is you can use email swipes such as this one that's literally given to you to make sales on this Video Marketing Blaster product. And you go and set the email automation software that's included with Kartra to automatically send this over 12 days. Imagine all these emails, the amount of clicks you're going to get on affiliate links if you build an email list of like 5,000 people, the amount of potential commissions, sales that you can make long term. And an email list also builds true passive income, because while you're busy working your 9 to 5 or some other job, your email list and these emails are automatically being sent and making money for you. But what I do suggest is, on the screen above, I do suggest going to check out this video over here. This is my complete A to Z ClickBank marketing course, which was more in-depth on this, how we actually design and build those email templates. I really suggest combining the strategy with the strategy if you want to really kill it with ClickBank earning. So on the screen above, I really suggest going and clicking on this course. But without further ado, I'll see you there.